you want to increase someone's attraction towards you, invite your target to experience extremely intense sensations with you. For example, take them to an amusement park. Once inside the park, you'll start looking for activities that have a high emotional value, such as roller coasters. From that moment on, what will happen is that when you are on the ride, your target will start generating emotions related to fear or excitement, which will have an effect on their physiology and result in an increased heart rate, muscle contraction, or the release of adrenaline. Everything your target feels during an activity that provides sensations, they will also feel during romantic or sexual excitement, and the brain will attribute all the sensations caused by this activity to you. This technique is called attribution error, and your target will literally believe that you are the cause of their state, which will dramatically increase their attraction towards you. This technique is potent and should be approached with caution and used ethically.